Hello friends, welcome to my home. Today, we are going to learn all about my home. Let's begin. Look, this is a home. A home is a place where we live. We feel safe, happy, and comfortable in our home. We eat, sleep, play, and spend time with our family in our home. A home protects us from rain, sun, wind, and cold. It keeps us safe and warm. We should always keep our home clean and tidy. Let's take a tour of the rooms in a house. This is the kitchen. Mommy or daddy cooks food in the kitchen. We should stay away from the stove, it is hot. Living room. This is the living room. We sit, watch TV, and talk with our family here. Sometimes guests come and sit in the living room too. Bedroom. This is the bedroom. We sleep on the bed in the bedroom. We rest here when we are tired. Study room. We study in the study room. Bathroom. This is the bathroom. We brush our teeth, take a bath, and wash our hands in the bathroom. Clean hands and body make us healthy. Garage. This is the garage. We keep our car, bike, or scooter here. It keeps our vehicles safe. Let's quickly remember what we learned today. Kitchen. Kitchen. We cook in the kitchen. Living room. Living room. We watch TV in the living room. Bedroom. Bedroom. We sleep in the bedroom. Study room. Study room. We study in the study room. Bathroom. Bathroom. We take a bath in the bathroom. Garage. Garage. We keep our car in the garage. That's all for today, little learners. We had so much fun learning about my home and all the rooms inside it. Remember, home is where we feel safe, happy, and loved. Please like, share and subscribe for more learning. Thank you.